Bullish Axie boundlessness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $38.62 and $72.95 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $30.04 by 2025. Bearish Axie vastness market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.87. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure true rewards. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Be that as it may, what makes Axie endlessness special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie boundlessness? Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in fame. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Axie vastness basic investigation. The group behind Axie vastness is exceptionally capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie limitlessness is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and numerous ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly variable and much of the time remarkable and interesting. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, uncommon, very intriguing, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get reliable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie endlessness current cost. Axie endlessness is at present worth $8.58 USD. Axie has moved 0.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,576,970. Axie endlessness is at present positioned 54 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $986,505,666 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie boundlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Axie endlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Axie endlessness value expectation 2023. Axie vastness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $12.87. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $12.02 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $10.30. Axie endlessness value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Axie boundlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $21.46. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $17.16 and a typical exchanging cost of $18.88. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $30.04 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $27.46 and a low of $25.75 in 2025. Axie vastness value expectation 2026. Assuming that Axie boundlessness effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $38.62, with a base cost of $34.33 and a typical cost of $36.05. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $44.63 by 2027, with a base cost of $42.91 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a greatest value worth of $47.20. Axie endlessness value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $53.21. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $55.78. Neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $51.49. Axie endlessness value expectation 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $60.08 and a yearly cost close above $64.37 in 2029. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie endlessness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $68.66 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $72.95, averaging out at $70.37. Axie endlessness value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Axie cost in 2031 is projected to be $84.11 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $80.67. And so what does the future hold for Axie limitlessness? The truth will surface at some point. However, assuming the past is any marker, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising undertaking. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie endlessness cost today? Axie